Hi, this is Vidya Balan.
Hi there, I'm Gauhar Khan.
And you're watching me on Book My TV.
When you see her do these powerful roles on screen, you know she's inspired by none other than her real self. And of course, the very lovely Gauhar Khan. The team of Begum Jaan is with us today. Firstly, welcome to Book My Show. Tell us, these powerful roles that women play now these days, it's quite a trend now and it's even working commercially. How are you guys liking the change?
Oh, absolutely loving it. I've been, experiencing or rather seeing the change happen one step at a time since 2008, and it's very, very reassuring. It's very, very heartening. And it's very exciting for us female actors.
How did you prepare for this particular role, which has Hindi galis, which you usually don't use?
Yeah, but I think I've abused enough a number of times inside my head. I just got an opportunity to say it out aloud now. Here, I've never played a character as aggressive or as powerful, unabashedly powerful as Begum Jaan is. So it took me a little bit to, get into her head.
Also you, Gauhar, you're quite an urban girl, and how is it to play these rustic characters which are very different from the real you?
Real me.
Yeah.
I didn't want to play the quintessential sex worker who was there, just keep body language would be expected to be a certain way. But my constant struggle as an actor for me was that I'm not going to be what people expect. अच्छा ये एक कोठे की हिस्सा है तो ये ऐसी ही चलेगी, ऐसी ही दिखेगी, ऐसी ही खड़ी रहेगी. But I tried to steer away from that while we were shooting. Even though it was a cut and we weren't really meant to be what we were playing, she would actually just sit like the way, Begum Jaan would sit. She would never come out of that character, and we also felt like, ऐसा एक माहौल बन जाता है वही एक चुटकी बजाते हो तो आप किसी के इशारे पे भागते हो. That didn't, come only at action. It came otherwise also.
So also the one-liners, like the dialogues are so powerful, which is one of those dialogues that made you feel, oh, I'm sure there may be many, but
imagine trailer में अगर उतने हैं तो picture में कितने होंगे.
I was seeing the trailer.
The dialogues are fabulous.
Yeah.
Just पढ़ के मजा आता था, and then बोलते वक्त that also gives that flair, that flamboyance to the character. I have lots of favorite lines, but if I have to choose one, I would choose महीना हमें गिरना आता है साहब, हर बार सारा लाल करके जाता है. It is such, it has attitude in it. I didn't have to do anything.
Today we face so many issues with women also. If you were to define three rules for women that could be made, or women could act in a particular way in situations that are happening today, what would they be?
One, that they have the first right to their bodies, minds and souls. They therefore have the right to say no to anything and everything that they might be uncomfortable with or feel offended about. I think that pretty much defines everything, I think a third would be never keep quiet. Even if it is, I remember when I was in college at Xavier's, I used to take the train to BT, and there was this like good-looking army cadet who kept, winking at me, and I went up to him and I said, are you winking at me? So he said, yeah. I said, "Sharm nahi aati?" Winking is such winking is very personal between friends or between
closed ones.
Yeah, you don't just wink at a stranger. I said, "What are you doing?" And thank you, you're protecting our country, but why don't you just behave better with women? And I remember my friends told me, "What is wrong with you? Yeah, कोई आँख मार रहा है तो कौन सी बड़ी बात है?" I said, नहीं, छोटी-छोटी बातों पर हम चुप बैठते हैं, इसीलिए things really escalate. Hi, this is Vidya Balan.
Hi there, I'm Gauhar Khan.
And you're watching me on Book My TV.